Good morning, everyone, from SeaWorld Orlando. We're here to see how pipeline the surf coasters look in. We're right here at the front entrance. Look at this. So that's the current point that they've made progress with as far as track work goes. But this is a brand new view. I mean, that is crazy looking. SeaWorld Orlando finally has a front gate coaster. So I didn't realize this, but right as you're walking to the front entrance, the launch section literally goes right up against the pathway. Like, look at this. As you're walking, you're gonna be able to see trains just flying over the speed hump into the first overbank. Wow, that's pretty cool. So I kid you not, I just heard a guest say that they don't want to ride this one because the track, quote unquote, just ends. I mean, they're not wrong. You know, as strange as this layout is, it will look pretty cool here along the waterfront. Just think, the track's gonna go like all the way up to down there. Man, that's weird. Just seeing a big overbank right there. It's strange looking, but it's cool.
Of 300 feet, we thought make your day even more. We're just about 300 feet up now, and from here...
Oh, there's a piece of track over there. Whoa. Back in the parking lot as we're exiting SeaWorld Orlando. As you can see, they've made quite a bit of progress on this thing. And bottom line is that they are putting in track very fast. I mean, last I saw, they hadn't even started working on this twisted hill, and now it's already like topped off. And they're gonna start working on the descent down into the next element. I think the next moment on this coaster is the only inversion on the ride, so I'm sure they're gonna be starting on that pretty soon here. So yeah, this thing's coming along really quick. I mean, today's a Saturday and there were guys out there walking around working on this thing. So they're either working on this thing 7 days a week or 6 days a week, maybe not on Sundays. But yeah, a lot of stuff being done here on Pipeline the Surf Coaster. So hope you guys enjoyed this little update. Stay tuned for more here at Coaster Studios. Thank you for watching. See you next time.